Roman. Hi, Des! This is a Frederick High School. Yan, ganyan, yan. Oh.
From Marcus to Marcus. Punch the toes, no candy for you.
We love you, Des! Frederick.
No 6-7 reference. Thank you.
This is the Frederick High School performing right now. Ayan, the daughter is there. Ayan siya. Nag-ano siya ng alt. She play alto saxophone. Yun yung ano nila, yung si Mr. Clarkson. Yung lalaki na yun. Photographer siguro siya talaga. Oh. Yeah. Yep. I like their uniform. It's kinda like gold.
Pero wala silang violet na.
Wala, iba naman to. Iba naman ito ngayon. Oo. Yeah. Oh my. After months of practice, every day sa school, ayan, ito na. Mag-perform na sila. Yeah. Yan sa Mr. Spear. Yan yung ano niya.
Presenting the 2025 program Max, please welcome drum major Owen Answer and the Frederick High School Marching Band.
Good luck.
Picture.
Ito yung picture.
The people of the village were cruel. They silenced our voices and burned our books. We were driven away, but power cannot be buried. Tonight, Macallan reborns!
This is a Frederick High School performance. Oh, magandang ano. Oh my God.
Silip na, silip.
Oo. Mag-move naman yan, ma. Yan o, yan si Desi. Oh, go, Desi. Oh my God. That's my daughter right here. Ang ganda namang uniform din naman, no? Gold and black and gray. Wow! So proud of you!
Direction of band director Nathan
Oh my gosh, Mami! Umiyak ka ba, Mami? Super proud, super proud. Let's see, good job, guys. Sa Frederick High School. Yes, dalawang ano lang sila, ma. Dalawang ano lang sila, oo. Yeah.